the third onwards as much as I was able to. But I still try to do, and the good thing is that because the younger ones see what the older ones are doing, so they basically pick it up now. They see their older brothers and sisters reading books all the time, so therefore books must be something interesting. So they will also grab and want to read, even though they do not know. But eventually they pick it up fast enough also. So yeah, then we expose them to factual books, and then as they hit primary level, in fact before primary level they were reading the Ladybird classics. So they have all those English versions. So they were reading Shakespeare, they were reading all these classics, but they are British versions. So I have a spread, I have a genre, and I was lucky because I got the Iman reading series. I don't know whether you have heard of that. There was this book written by Dr. Bilal Phillips, because he wanted to have a reading series which is Islamically based. So it's not just a storybook; it's actually a reader series. If you read, if you just use that book, you're supposed to be able to read because it uses the same common words, and all that. So I exposed them to that also, and that was a fantastic set of books because it's a reader series, and at the same time it talks about Akidah, it talks about a lot of other stuff. So I exposed the kids to this, and I didn't realize it, but yesterday when my daughter gave me her reflection, which unfortunately we were not able to print because I was doing stuff quite late. What's interesting was in one of her reflections, she said that when she was young, all she could remember, she couldn't remember how I teach her to read. All of them couldn't remember. They just assumed they were born readers. Because like I said, it was done, and everything. So anyway, she said that one of the things she likes to do when she was young, and she remembers, is to actually read series, books which are in series. Because she says, for example, like the Iman reading series, the reader series, because she says it gives her a sense of accomplishment. When you move from one book to the next, she knows she is progressing. Can you imagine a young child actually feeling that, and we actually do not know it? I don't know it until now, until she said it to me, until she actually wrote it down. That, yeah, besides reading all the other books, she loves to get books which are in series form, because when she was young, she felt that she is progressing as she goes from one book to the other. So that is something you all can think about, when you buy books, buy them in series, and let the kids have a sense of achievement, of progressing, because it's important for them, for their own self-esteem, for their own confidence.
Thank you very much. I think that's a very useful point, and that's a good point to pause for a moment for parents to mull over some of these things. Unfortunately, we need a short break because that's part of the program. Pass over to MC first, and then we'll have a short break. We'll come back for part 2. And I want to talk about how do we move from English books to Malay books as well. I wanted to ask Madam Mariam, but let's have a short break and let's refresh ourselves, and we'll come back for part 2. Thank you very much.
Alhamdulillah, that was a very interesting first part of the forum. Right now we'll have a well-deserved break. Parents, there are light refreshments being served at the canteen, so let's take a 15-minute breather, and we'll be back refreshed and ready for the second part of the forum. So parents, please.